Google Drive. Once you are done, please take note you can either click Post, Schedule, or even Save Draft. So my example, I will be posting the announcement.